Hi, so here we are just gathered to see the unboxing of the new Redmi Mi A1. So let us start. We have received the package, it's right here, and here is the unboxed package. So let us start unboxing it one by one. As you can see, it is not very easy to unbox it. You need your nails. I think that we got some luck over there. Yeah, correct. Go ahead. You can see that the packaging is very sturdy. Even one single piece of polythene is very difficult to be removed. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. So we remove the very first layer. You will see it is very good first layer of it. Moving on to the next one. Keep it slow, keep it slow. Meanwhile, I should introduce you to my friend Ankita here. Yeah, say hi Ankita. Oh, we have it in two pieces. What is this? It's just khali coca, nothing. By the time she does that, I will show you. Some other details. You can see. That's some general information. It says dual camera, pure Android, Snapdragon 625, and 5.5 inches of screen. And obviously the black color. Looks like she's facing some difficulty. Let me try my hands on. Oh. They say pen is mightier than sword. Certainly you can't use a sword over here. It won't work. Oh. Beautiful piece of thing. Oh, yeah. Let's keep the phone aside. Let us see what all we have in the box. So we have a couple of accessories. Looks like we have a screen guard. It's not a glass, it's just a screen guard and a cleaning cloth. And here we have, I think, the charger, isn't it? The data cable, right? Yeah. Here we have the AC adapter. We have some piece of paper, some useless piece of paper. And now moving on to the thing. Perfect, beautiful. What does it say? It says a warning, some emissions related issue, and two barcode, obviously two IMEIs, and some other emission related information over here. You can see two phones, two cameras over here, and a flashlight. Looks like very good flashlight. So let us go on and see the front part. Here you can see ambient sensor, the front camera, and the micro speaker. Here you have microphone and 3 speaker jacks, and also the charging in or data cable input. You have a volume up, down, and a power key over here. and obviously there's a SIM slot over here. Nothing much. There are a couple of holes for, I think, what for using this phone as a remote. What do you call? Let's go on and power it up. Some action over there. It asks you to insert SIM card. We can skip that for now. Copy your data from another phone or set up as new. We can do that as well sometime later. हाँ वो प्रोटेक्टिव कवर होता है बट यू कैन रिमूव इट. We can just connect it without any network connection. You can adjust the date and time. Do you want to adjust the time now? Oh, we can do that later. Then adding the name, fingerprint. You want to add a fingerprint yet? You want to add a fingerprint? No, we'll do that also later. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll skip that. We can anyway add a fingerprint later on, so that's not a problem. Some my services related information, adding your Google account, and so the phone is there. Beautiful. Works like feather. Butter touch. Very, very responsive. No issues at all so far.
SIM card कहाँ से डालते?
Like I said, the SIM slot is over here. You can insert a pin. No, at the edge. Yes, over here you can see.
इसमें सुई तो दी है.
You can find a SIM door key somewhere in the accessories box, or you can also use a needle over there. Some initial settings and all seems to be working. The camera looks like very responsive and very responsive. What becomes the first picture taken from this phone? You can edit it. There are editing options over there. So it looks about it, nothing much. We'll keep reviewing the performance of the phone and we'll get back to you with another video maybe a couple of weeks later. Thanks for now. Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye.